Did you know that certain vegetables can help alleviate the symptoms of bronchitis? Here are 3 veggies that you can eat today to help with your bronchitis symptoms. Hash 1. Carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which can help reduce inflammation in the lungs and improve respiratory function. Number 2. Broccoli. Broccoli is packed with vitamin C, which can boost the immune system and help fight off the infection that causes bronchitis. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamin A, which can help soothe irritated airways and reduce coughing. Incorporating these 3 veggies into your diet can help support your body's natural healing process and alleviate bronchitis symptoms. For more daily health tips, follow us at Bronchitis FX.